All right, everybody, this is Fixing Things with Pastor Bill. Back room is done 100%. I'm going to show you how it turned out. And I can't take all the credit. My wife did a lot of work on this room. And so a good shout out to my wife. And we had help from family and friends also doing cleanup and doing caulking and stuff like that. So let's show you what let's show you. Ready? Turn the lights on right here. Got to step up into it. Got a brand new threshold in there. The door turned out excellent. This door used to swing on this side. Let me see. This door used to swing on this side and used to hit the roof. So we took the hinges off, covered them up, and took the door out there, shaved it down a little bit so it would close. All right, so you can see my wife's got a dandelion theme going, and it's embossed into the wallpaper. She put some dandelion curtains up. All the trim has been redone, painted, cleaned up. She got her decorations up. The closet turned out excellent, more dandelion. Welcome. On this header here, she started antiquing it. I think she wants to do a little bit more. We got our rustic barn lights in here with high output LED lights. This little closet came out really good. And this is where all those holes were, where we did the wires. There was an episode on Fixing Things where we had to redo the wires, and this was all wired wrong and connections in the walls, and wasn't good. Over here we got a light switch right here. That way, if you're laying in bed, you can turn your lights on and off. If this is probably going to be exercise room for us, but if it's bedroom too. All right, so this thing here is a side of a packing container, packing crate. And we got another one out there in the entryway. And we still got to finish this area. We got our rusted metal up in there. It says, packed and shipped by Sokar Van Pack, Beirut, Lebanon. You may have seen that on one of the other episodes, but we trimmed off the bottom because it wasn't quite long enough. Got a huge TV thing. It comes out about 33 inches, hangs out. So you can swing it out quite a bit and it extends. Carol's got some more decorations, some more dandelion curtains up there. And she got some more little pictures. And this ceiling is not very tall. I can reach it with my hands. So this here's a stair tread. And I made it into a pretty heavy shelf there. It's got that stuff holding it up, and I needed something there so people didn't set stuff on top of the heat pump. So this is our little heat pump. It's a 1-ton unit, and right now there was a whole episode. Sorry, there was a whole episode on this installing that. You can see that on my YouTube channel. And I think she's going to hang that somewhere. I'm not sure where. And here we have the barn, sliding barn door. Came out, man, it came out wonderful, beautiful. And this also is a piece of that same shipping crate. It's one of the sides, and it used to be a door on a shed. You can see where the still got paint on it. We're gonna leave it rustic just like it is, beautiful. So in here is the bathroom. And the bathroom is finished, finally. Lights on. So we'll start right here in this corner. We still got the theme with the rusted metal roofing, trimmed off with rustic. This is a fern strip is what it is. Got some heavy duty hooks holding some towels up. Carol's got a nice decorative window frame thing there. And my wife's sense of humor. Hello, sweet cheeks. I guess that's for people's cheeks when they sit down on this. And even got instructions. Please seat yourself. Got little shelves in here. This little room is only 5 foot by 5 foot. It's really small. And the shower, I just put the shower doors in today. There's a whole episode on fixing things for that. And the metal is also galvanized metal roofing. Should last a long time. And if it don't last, then I'll take it down and put some more up. It's all caulked and even tested it, seeing the water spots on it. Tested it, make sure it wasn't going to leak. It's got a magnetic sealed lip. Medicine cabinet. This is the original medicine cabinet that was in here, and I took it down and cleaned it all up and repainted it. And a little dinky gray vanity with the same knobs that we used in the rest of the house. Turn the light off. Tight. All right, so that's going to be it for this episode of Fixing Things with Pastor Bill. I purchased a lot more stuff for the U-Haul, the Mihal truck out there. We got some work to do on the shop. I'm done in here. Back on the stuff that I got to get done out there now. I still got to get another fuel pump put into that Trailblazer, because the new fuel pump we put in, it ain't working. I don't know what's going on with that thing. We got to trench us a power line, get some power out to the shop. We got to get some anchors put in and some flashing put around the garage so I can get my final inspection. That's all it needs. I got to get that done. I could have had it done already, but I got to get this done because, because I love my wife. She says, got to get done. It's got to get done. Happy wife, happy life. God bless each and every one of you. Remember, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. God bless you.